Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is three a food workers puts on a clean pairs of the gloves before cleaning and the sanitizing his knives and the cutting boards. He then chops ingredients of a salads. What foods hazard is most likely to contaminate the salad? Option A. Clostridiums, botulinum. Option B. Pathogens on the knives blade. Option C. Plastic from the food worker gloves. Option D. Cleaning chemicals on the food worker gloves. Option B. The correct answer of the question is option B. Pathogens on the knife blade. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.